Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. 4th of July evening at the cabin. After work we came over here and hung out for a couple hours. I don't know if we're going to see the fireworks tonight because we're tired. It was near 90 degrees and humid, and the sun was scorching today, but it sure is pretty setting in the sky. A little bit of clouds to add some color. It's nice. So we're quiet and at peace here. It's a very peaceful place. And that's it for today. We just sat around and visited and had a good dinner together with family up at the cabin. And now it's time to go home. It's 9 o'clock. It's after 9. And we gotta get Michelle in bed. But there's our yearly 4th of July sunset over the lake. Only this time I just don't think we're gonna get the fireworks. Things are different when you have a baby and a store. I'm tired. That's funny. Life changes. I'm talking quiet because I'm just so much at peace. Alright guys. Hope you all had a great 4th of July. The weekend is still to come. I know there's a lot of activities going on, so keep it safe. Have a great time with your family. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Good night. Microphone right next to